All right, welcome back. We're back from lunch. We're going to talk about real quick, and this is a short video on how to save your data and how you're going to pull it up in Excel. Okay, John, let's go.
All right, so since we went to lunch, we've already saved our data and we don't have it available here anymore. But what you would do when you have your graph here, you would click on the Save Data button right here. And when you click that, it just opens up a new window that says, what do you want to name this file? And then you type a name in and you hit save. So we can't do that because there's no data available.
We called it what? Demo?
We called it demo, that's right. Now it's different from this save button over here. If you remember, we used that earlier to save the variables that we wanted to log. So we could open that up later to create a new one. So for instance, if we were to hit open, we see demo scope here. If I double click that, sorry. Going on here.
Laptop problems.
It takes a little while depending upon the speed of the laptop, how much stuff is saved, but we give this a second. There we go on the right hand side. Those are all of our variables that we wanted to use in the scope function before, but we just pulled that up.
Okay.
All right, but now we want to actually look at the data that we saved before, and that is going to be in our Pro-M folder. So I know on Mike's laptop, that's under Documents.
Give it a second.
Pro-M, and then in the scope folder. Now within this, we've got both the logs that we've saved and our saved variables. So demo scope was the variables that we saved, but just demo, or in some computers it might read as demo.csv. That is what we actually want to open. So I believe on Mike's computer we have to right click and choose Open with Excel. Some other computers you can just double click on it and it will open right up. And this is launching Excel. And here is all the data that we logged earlier in the car. We can see today's date, and we logged RPM, MAF volts, throttle position volts, and air charge temperature. And here they all are. These are the timestamps on the left, and then the value for each of those fields. So you can go down here.
Go down to where I was holding throttle at like 2500.
All right. So I'm just watching this as we go.
There we go, right
here
there.
We go, right here. So you can see Mike stepped into the throttle right there. Throttle position voltage went up a little bit. RPMs went up.
That's it.
That's everything.
You just read your data right across, horizontally. That's it. All right. I hope that answers some of your questions and it gives you a little insight on how to do it. Thank you very much. And again, remember, if you have any questions, don't call me. Don't call John. Don't email me. Call Chris Richards, all right, at Pro-M Racing. Just kidding. All right. Thank you. Bye.